Assalamu alaikum everyone. So as you know that we have a challenge now. In the 90 days we have to learn all the things of the tenses. In the last video I have taught you like what are tenses and what are the stages we have in the tenses. Now here we are going to discuss the parts in the present tense in not detail, just an overview, and after in the next lesson we will study it one by one in depth. So present tense, we have four situations in the present tense. Present tense is a situation that is happening in within the time, which have some concern or which have some relation with the time we have now. So present simple, it means the thing that happened now, just now. Present continuous, the thing that is happening now. And present perfect, the thing that happened in the past, but it is talk like in conversation, like we are discussing the thing in the present. Present perfect continues from past action started and that continued in the present. So from the past action is started and still it is continued in the present. So these are the four stages. You can take the picture if you want, because it will be easy for you to just remember the four stages of the present tense. And in the next video I will discuss one by one each. Let's take a closer look. I like it. You are a very nice person. This is just about present simple. We have some negative, interrogative and the simple tense that I will discuss later. So this is present simple. I like it. You are a very nice person, talking about the thing just happened now or in the same time. Present continuous, happening, the thing that is happening now, we have to use is rm, ing. So is we will use with he, she, it name, am with I, and I with they, you. I am washing all the dishes. See, now it means he's just washing all the dishes. It's not finished. The situation is happening now. He's not studying very well. Likewise, present perfect, has and have, we have to use past participle. I have finished my homework. He's discussing about the thing that he have finished the homework. Present perfect continues, the situation that happened in the past and that is shared or continued in the present. I have been doing my homework for 6 hours. He's still doing the homework, but from the past he is discussing that from the 6 hours he is doing still now. So that's it. This is end of the lesson 2. Now in the lesson 3 you will learn some examples and details of present simple, negative, positive and interrogative. Thanks for watching.